Have you ever felt guilty about eating any kind of snack that you really wonder if healthy snacks exist? Getting through the day without treating yourself in between meals is almost impossible. The good news is that there is no reason to restrict yourself. Having a healthy snack in between meals is absolutely approved by medical professionals and dietitians alike. Here we have rounded up ideas for 10 healthy snacks that won't make you feel guilty about eating them. Plus, they are very tasty and varied. Ready? Let's start. Snack number 1, banana bites. This is a very simple and quick snack that you can eat anywhere at any time. The only thing you have to do is cut the banana into slices and spread on it a little of peanut butter on one of its sides, and then put another slice of banana on top, making a kind of a small delicious banana sandwich or bite. Leave it in the freezer for about an hour, and if you want it to be even tastier, you can melt some pieces of chocolate in a bowl and dip half of the banana bite in the chocolate. Be careful, they are very addictive. Number 2, apple slice cookies. A refreshing and delicious snack that will make you feel full of energy. It is very easy to do. Take an apple, core it, cut it into circular slices, then take the peanut butter and spread it on top of the apple slice. And that's it. The only thing left to do is put some toppings on it to make it more delicious. You can put some chopped nuts and even some chocolate chips. Apple and peanut butter mix is such an energy bomb. It will make you feel just like a superhero. Like Flash, maybe? Sorry, just a freaky comment. Snack number 3, zucchini chips. These are salty, thin, and crunchy. So, what do you need to make these chips? It is very simple. You only need zucchini, oil, and salt. And you can also use vinegar if you want salt and vinegar chips. If you can, use a mandolin to make the zucchini slices very thin and equal. But if you don't, just be careful to cut them all the same size. Once you have cut them, put in a bowl a good jet of oil, salt, and vinegar if you want, and then put all the zucchini slices in the bowl and stir until they all have seasoning. Then place them on a baking paper side by side and bake it. Take a look at it from time to time because every oven is different and we don't want to burn them. Once we see that most of the liquid or oil has been cooked and that the chips look golden brown, it is time to take them out and start enjoying them. But be careful! Don't remove them too soon, or instead of crispy, they'll be kind of soggy. Hey! Do you like this delicious snack so far? If so, please give this video a quick like and let's continue with these snacks ideas. Number 4, frozen yogurt covered blueberries. This is a super easy and fun snack that kids really love. And let's be honest, adults love it too. All you have to do is place your favorite yogurt on a bowl, take some toothpicks and your blueberries. Help yourself with a toothpick to dip the blueberries in the yogurt. Once they are covered in yogurt, place them on a baking sheet and stick them in the freezer. In just a couple of hours, they will be frozen and ready to eat. But let me give you a tip. Let them freeze overnight, so they will be completely frozen for the next day. Snack number 5, baked Parmesan tomatoes. This is a salty snack for tomato and cheese lovers. 2 basics of La Vella Italia. You may not know this snack, but it is really tasty and also very quick to make. Preheat the oven, then cut the tomato into 3mm slices and put them on the baking paper one next to each other. Then top each slice with Parmesan cheese until covering the entire top and sprinkle some basil and oregano. Bake it for 10 minutes until the cheese is melting and bubbly. Then take them out and top them with Italian parsley. It's ready, quick and easy, isn't it? Come on, hurry up and try your favorite snacks now and tell us if you have liked them in the comments. We would love to hear about it. If you want more snack ideas, you can check the part 2 of this video right here. Or you can subscribe to this channel to make sure you don't miss the next video of 5 healthy lunch ideas. You cannot miss it. See you there.